Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to configure a CCTV system. So this is the one that I bought, or this is the one I had that was laying around. So this is the spec. You can see it's a 4-channel kit, full color, P2H, and then it's a 1080p system. So we'll go through the whole system, trying to install it, and then we'll all learn in the system. So just unpacking it, you'll see what came with the system. So this was some foam that was covering and protecting the network video recorder, but this is not a network video recorder because this does not utilize NVR. So I think this is called a DVDR, digital video recorder or something. So this is the spec, those are the channels at the back, and then this is the DVR, digital video recorder, and that's the model. So you can see from the back you've got various ports. The one, it's the VGA, so this would use to connect to your monitor. So this is an old technology, but you still find it being used. So I think most people now would probably utilize HDMI or NVR. So, and then you also have a port for your 12 volts DC supply, the DC 12 volts, which is this port. And then from there you have a USB 2.0. Then you've got your LAN for your network, and then you've got your A input and your A out, and then also your HD out. And then this is your 4 channels for your cameras. So you'll see it's V1, V2, and V4, since this is a 4-channel video recorder. So there, you can put that on the side. It also came with a mouse, which is not wireless, still uses cable. And then it's got a USB type A that you can plug in on one of your inputs. It came with 2 power supplies. This is the one, and then there's another one. And then this is an adapter. So I think this is to power your 4 channels. So the one goes in there, and then it comes out as 4. And inside the box, these are the cables we'll be using to connect our 4 cameras. This is for the 1 camera. This is the second one for the 2nd camera. Yeah, then the other 2. Then this is the other 2 for the other cameras. And then there's our 4 cameras. So they all come with their own box or packaging. Okay, and then there's 4. So let's try and open one and see what's inside. Okay. There is the camera. It looks okay. Alright, so the next video we'll try to connect everything and take it from there.